असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hi children, welcome to Mallareddy Memorial School digital classes. In the last video we have discussed from gathering food to growing food. In this video let us discuss agriculture in our times. So in the previous video how was the agriculture we have discussed, and now let us discuss how is agriculture in our times. Okay, yes, let us see agriculture in Venkatapuram and agriculture laborers in groundnut fields, how they are doing work in the groundnut fields and how did they earn money and how are they working. Let us see. Farmers grow groundnut seed in the last week of November and harvest them in February in Venkatapuram village. In the Venkatapuram village they grow groundnut seeds. When did they grow? In the last week of November. They sow in the last week of November and they harvest them in February. Here are Rama, Padma, Lakshmamma, agriculture laborers in Venkatapuram. They are working in groundnut fields. So they sow groundnuts very much. Here Rama, Padma and Lakshmamma are the laborers who are working in the groundnut fields. So let us see their experience, how they are earning money and how they are working in the fields and how much time they are spending in that groundnut field. Let us see their experience, their groundnut field experience and also other experience that they are facing. Lakshmamma's words: they get wages on the basis of the quantity of groundnut they pluck. The wages means the money that they get from their owner, okay, who are paying for these women's work. Okay, so they get wages on the basis of the quantity of groundnut they pluck. So if they pluck more groundnuts they will get more money. They have to pluck groundnuts fast, otherwise they will not get even 100 to 150 rupees for the whole day. So if they pluck the groundnuts they will get more money, otherwise they will get only they will not get even 100 to 150 rupees per day. Let us see what Padma is saying. They get work in government schemes. Even in government schemes they get employment only for a few weeks in the entire year. So Lakshmamma is saying about her groundnut fields experience, and here Padma is saying that about the work that they are getting in government schemes. Okay, they are working in government schemes like Jatiya Gramina Upadhi Hami Patakam. So in that government schemes also they don't get work entire year. They get only 100 days. Okay, normally women workers earn about 100 to 130 rupees per day, whereas men workers get 200 to 250 per day. Men 200 to 250, women 100 to 130 rupees per day. In the government employment scheme, men as well as women get about 150 per day. There is no partiality in giving wages in government employee scheme. Men as well as women get 150 per day. In non-agriculture activities such as loading and unloading of sand or bricks and construction works, they get a little more amount, that is 300 for men and 180 to 200 for women. So other works like loading and unloading bricks and sand, they will get 300 for men and 182 to 200 for women. Nearly 2/5 of the families Rural families are mainly agriculture laborers in Telangana. Two-fifths of the rural families are agriculture laborers in Telangana. Of these, hardly a few have small plots of land and the rest are landless. A few people from the 2 by 5th, from this 2 by 5th only few small plots have lands and others have landless, which means they don't have land. Although earnings are higher in non-agriculture jobs, they are scarce in rural areas. So of course they are getting more money in non-agriculture works like unloading sand and bricks. It's a very complicated work. That is why many families in Venkatapuram have migrated to towns and cities. So don't want to do this scared work. That's why they are migrating to the other towns and cities for other work. Okay, so this is all about the uh, work that they are doing in Venkatapuram village. Let us learn some more information about this in our next class. Thank you.